Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new radio, brand new to me. I think it came out last year, and this is the PRUNUS J-401, and it's got a ton of features, and it looks very familiar, and you'll see what I mean later. I got it for $17 off of Amazon, and it comes with the radio, a colored, oops, get it open here, little fumble fingers, manual, 3 pages, lots of information, lots of functions. This is the USB to USB micro. We'll plug it in the port so you can put the output of your computer to this and use it as a amplified speaker. And that's what they say. And it comes with an audio cable, which you can use, plug it in the top port here, and say, for instance, from another radio, you can use this as a recorder. Pretty cool. Okay, let's take a look at this thing. I've been having trouble with the lighting, so bear with me. It's got tons of information on the screen. And does it look familiar? Does it look like the V115, which is a little smaller, and the layout is quite a bit different, but the information that's shown on the screen is almost identical. It has all the functions of the V115 plus more. Okay, we're going to go around the radio here. We'll start with the top. This is the earbud jack. Next to that is the line input for that cable I showed you. And next to that is the slot for the TF card. There's your telescopic antenna. It both swivels and rotates. It's about 13 inches long. Nothing on this side. Nothing on the bottom. A lot wider than the V115, so it stands up really easy. Carrying strap, which doesn't come off. If you don't want it, you have to cut off, and then it's useless. A little different here again on the V115. Had a little plastic piece that you stuck in the back, and that was the kickstand. This one has a built-in kickstand. That's much more preferred. You open up the kickstand so you can get to the battery compartment, which is right here, and guess what? It uses one of those small cell phone batteries. And you can charge it using that USB port I showed you, which is right over here. That's how you charge that battery. This is the memory up function, memory down function, volume. Again, my lighting is pretty terrible. I don't know why I'm having so many problems. I think it's because the screen is so, what did I push? Oh, I pushed record. Green is salt. What did I push? Oh, I pushed record. Green is salt. What did I push? Oh, I pushed record. What a dummy. That's one thing that I struggle with is the buttons are kind of small and close together. I struggle with that. So I'm quite often hitting the wrong button, and I was just holding this too tight, and I pushed the record button, and it was using a microphone input to record, and it was pretty good. Let me play that back. What did I push? Oh, I pushed record. Green is salt. What did I push? Oh, what a dummy. Anyway, now I kicked the camera. What next? Okay, let's get on before I break the thing. So let's go to, the buttons up here are the delete function for deleting a file, the AM, FM selection, the shortwave selection, the mode selection, which is also the keyboard lock, and the menu button, because it's got a bunch of items that you can modify, such as an equalizer. You can modify and choose, I think there's like 4 or 5 different equalizers you can choose. You can change the backlight. I've got it set now so the backlight's always on. You can have it always off, or you can set it to 5, 10, 15 minutes, and so on up. This is the channel select in MP3 mode, play, pause, channel backwards, go back one channel. So let's record. Green is so, okay. What did I put? Now I've got it I've got it in a mode because I did that recording, so that I need to change the mode to put it back in the mode that was reading these other files. But since I already played an MP3 file for you, I don't need to do that right now. Plus I don't know how to do it. I've never had to do it. Keyboard selection. Again, I apologize for the lighting. So you can direct tune, or you can use these buttons to tune, or you can use the memory locations that you've stored from a previous tune. Let's go to FM. Oh, we don't want music playing, except the free music that I had. Okay, let's tune up so we can see it. Sorry, I'm not getting the thing in the camera there. So we're tuning up. If you push and hold, it will start seeking the next strongest signal. So there it goes, 92.5. More music. Let's go again. More music. Finding a lot of stations. There we go.
Gord in the left circle. Pass taken away by Vlad Nemestikov. Nemestikov is hounded. And Goodrow trying to hold this in left circle. Instead, it's Philip Zadina stepping clear for Detroit. 4:13 left in the period. Zadina drops it off. Chalosky.
Sounds like soccer
to the red line.
Hockey.
It's Nemestikov to the lightning end. Savard to race.
And then, of course, when you find a station that you like, you can use the memory function and start storing them in memory, and then you can just go to the memory thing instead of having to tune each time. Go to AM. Turn the volume back up. We'll tune.
So now I know.
A little bit of noise there. All my electronics in this room.
Homestand, they'd have to win today and tomorrow to do that. But let's not worry too far ahead. Let's just see if the race can get a lead today. And Josh Fleming does tend to keep the...
Okay, no music. Doesn't seem to be directional. Probably a very small antenna. So that's FM. Let's go to shortwave. Probably won't get much on shortwave. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. Basically way up there at 21. How high did I say it went? Show you the screen a little better. Here we go. I don't know if I'll get anything on shortwave this time of day, and especially in my office here on that tiny little shortwave antenna. I'm going to set this down. I'm moving too much. There we go. I apologize for the lighting. This screen is super bright, so it tricks my camera into changing the lighting, and it also tricks my camera that it can't autofocus. So I'm sorry. I'm not picking up anything. I didn't think so. Well, it actually says it's on channel 39, memory channel 39. I don't know if those are what was previous in there or what. Let's see if is it scanning the entire band? Looks like it. It's not skipping just through the international broadcast bands. Yeah, it's going through the full band. Now it started where I left off was with 21 something. I'm curious to see if it will come back to 21 something. I don't think it's going to find anything. Doesn't surprise me. Bad time of the day. Solar conditions are not good. I'm in my office. I'm wasting your time. Okay, I'm going to stop. I'm wasting your time. Let's just try direct tuning. 5, 0, well, that's not a 0. Okay. 5, 0, 0, 0. Enter? Yeah, enter. Now, about 10. 1, 10. Nah. I wonder if I have my little wire antenna. Hold on. Oh, I know what I've got. Let me push this down. I've got my G5RV antenna right here. Let me just temporarily click it on here. Nope. Nope, not getting anything. Bad time of the day. Anyway, so that's shortwave. Lots of features. The MP3 recorder will record, as I said before, off the radio or, like we found in my little mistake, off the microphone. And it will play, I can't remember how big a memory card. Does it say 32 gigabytes? Does play MP3s and WMA. Doesn't say how big a memory card you can put in there. I'm guessing at least 32 gigabyte. Okay, let's go back to, no, we don't want music.
How long
Here we
it
go.
was after the penalty had expired. They kept the Wings are opening one of the game in a power play. No shots during
Put that
the
antenna
advantage,
up.
Still no score.
Yeah, they
There we
did
go.
a
That's
great
good.
job at penalty
Good.
kill. And that's when they were really at their best earlier in the years, when they were really harassing the puck carrier.
Okay, that's
They
about
keep
it.
Talking about time and
I from what little bit of use I've had, it does seem to have a little better quality than the V115. I'm looking over my notes here to see if I missed anything. The FM, the stereo output, I'll get it right in a minute. The headphones output is FM stereo, if you're listening to FM stereo. It has 3 record rates. I don't know if they're listed here. Nope, I don't see them, but it's got 3 rates you can record at, and that'll determine how fast it uses up the memory and how high a fidelity the recording has. I don't know what the default is. The FM stereo does record in stereo. Alrighty, I think that's about it. For $17, this thing does a lot. And I have tested it in the shortwave band at night, and it does pick up quite a few shortwave stations. So I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.